Hello folks, my name is Robert Pound and I'm a product technologist for Quest. Today I will discuss the professional edition of Toad Data Point. If you're trying to determine whether the base, professional, or professional with analytics version is right for you, then you've come to the right video. The features in base are covered in another video, and the features in the professional edition build on base. So one of the first things I want to talk about when talking about the professional edition is connectivity. So in the base edition, we have all these relational sources and file sources, but with the professional edition, you have the inclusion of Toad Intelligence Central Server. You also have the business intelligence sources and NoSQL sources. So, for instance, if you have information on Salesforce or Hive, you can go out and interrogate those sources and bring them in. You also have the ability to perform visual queries. So it's simply clicking and checking and dragging to build out a query. So whether you're a seasoned professional or you're new to SQL code, you can start rapidly developing SQL, learning how SQL is developed. You also have the ability to do cross-connection queries. So in this particular case, I'm accessing both Access and MySQL to bring in a single result set. And when performing these queries, you can quickly and easily determine whether this join is going to be successful with the join analyzer, which gives a Venn diagram of how the join is actually going to work, whether it's going to be successful or not, and how many rows you're going to return. And if we move to the result set, we have the ability to send this data out to various features in the tool. Many of these are only in Professional Edition. One thing that comes with Professional Edition is local storage. So you can send this data out to local storage and work on the data offline. You can also publish it up to Toad Intelligence Central Server, which I spoke about earlier. So this is our collaboration platform. So folks on the team can work on data together, work on visualizations, anything that you can produce in Toad Data Point, you can share on the collaboration platform. And moving on to Transform and Cleanse. So this is a tool that allows you to manipulate and refine your data without having to use any SQL on the back end. So again, I'm not a SQL expert, but from here I can, for instance, create a roll-up for my data set. In this case, I've created zones for the regions. You can also parse out dates as an example. So I can pull out just the year and it's in this column here. So there are a number of different options when working with the data in Transform and Cleanse. You also have full profiling. So in the base edition, there is a breakdown of the data every time you do a query. But this gives you a further breakdown of what the data has in it, statistics, frequency, everything to give you an idea of what the composition of the data is and whether there are duplicates, etc. So a more thorough breakdown of your data. And that's all I had to share for the professional edition. There are other features to go take a look at, but these are some of the more interesting ones. For more information on this topic, you can check out the help file. It has a wide range of information and tutorials to help get you started. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. For more information on this product, you can go to www.quest.com/products/Toad Data Point. Thank you and have a great day.